Three steps to handle any retrograde planet. So friends, a lot of the astrologers have been talking about that Mercury right now, especially in the month of November, is highly afflicted. It is retrograde, it is in an enemy sign, and it is hammered by the planet Mars. So now comes the question, a planet which is an integral part of our daily life, our emails, our communication. So what to do with it? So three steps. The very first step is pause and review before sending any important email, before talking on any hurtful situation. First review, like even if you have to send an email, like did I properly attached all the documents, did I marked all the important people who are supposed to be in that email. And when responding to any hurtful situation, just take a pause and reflect that is it that important to fight back, to hurt this person and reciprocate with equal level of intensity. So pause and review is very important when Mercury is retrograde. Second is about clean the karma, like all those clutters which is lying in your email, in your inbox, even like if the place where you work, if your desk is very cluttered. So this is not a very good energy to deal with, especially when Mercury is retrograde. That clutter which is there in front of you might create confusion in your mind, in your thought process as well. And the third and the most important remedy to deal with a retrograde Mercury is about ritual and realignment. So many astrologers recommend journaling helps, having a vision board in front of you helps, chanting Om Buddhaya Nama helps, offering the Durva in any of the Lord Ganesha's temple and the Modak and the Laddus help. And I generally recommend that if it is possible, the city where you live, like feeding the animals, feeding the birds, if it is possible, if it is allowed. So that is also one of the good remedy to deal with the retrograde Mercury.